Hello guys, it is another evening to decipher the hamster combat Morse code. We know the drill already. We start by changing the background from blue to red by clicking on M per tab 3 times, then it changes. Then we go by deciphering the code. Our Morse code for tonight is GameFi, GAMEFI. Then we start with the first letter, which is G. Old, release, and dot. Then A, tap, hold, and release. A. Then M, hold, release, M appears. Then E, tap. F, tap, tap, hold, release, tap. I, tap, tap. And we've gotten the word GameFi. Claim your prize and you're done. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification button for you to get new videos as usual. Please, most importantly, share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.